here we are in a new build terrace property. It has two direct noise paths. So it has a party wall here, separating party wall here, and it has another separating party wall over here. Now, as you can see, we've removed all the dot and dab, and you can probably see how easy it's come off. And we've got this room to a stage, now it's ready to be soundproofed. The carpet's been removed, we've removed all the skirting, architrave, the electrical's been made safe, and we've removed all the dot and dab plasterboard. Now we're going to install our TPS65 to this party wall. We're going to install TPS30 to this indirect noise path, this window wall here, and we're going to install TPS65 to this stairwell wall. But what I want to show you is the most important part about when you soundproof a new build property, because a lot of new build properties, they have a stairwell wall on the separating party wall. And one of the key elements that must be addressed, it's like a main cause, it must be addressed whenever you're soundproofing the room, is this hollow void in this stairwell wall here. So this is like a bit of a drum. This is the stairs ceiling, and the other bit is this section which is perpendicular. So it's this perpendicular section which is what we're going to call the main cause, because it's so hollow and it's like a big amplifier. It's channeling the noise from the separating party wall into the rest of the house. So this must be insulated, because it doesn't matter how singing and dancing the wall system is, how amazing this direct noise path is, unless you treat this hollow void, there's no point doing any soundproofing because the noise will still come through. So we're going to address the separating party wall with our TPS65, and we're going to address that area above the stairs ceiling, and that other section perpendicular on the landing. Another area which is often forgotten when you treat a new build or any area where stairs is on a separating party wall is the stair treads. Each one of these stair treads is like a bit of a drum. It's a hollow void from the separating party wall shooting this way, channeling the noise into the room. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to go into the cupboard under the stairs, and we're going to have to treat each one of those stair treads to prevent the noise channeling into this room. I hope this little video has helped to give you an idea of the amount of work required when you treat a new build, semi-detached or terrace property. If you want more information on how to soundproof your house, remember to subscribe to our channel, go to the website quietco.uk, download the free guide, or if you're an architect, builder or developer looking for more information on exactly how to soundproof, then why not consider our soundproofing course? Go to quietco.uk, click on soundproofing course and register your interest now.